Ever pondered the secrets to stopping hair fall and repairing damaged hair? The answer might be closer than you think, lying right in your kitchen pantry. Consider this: a hair mask using fenugreek and coconut milk. Start by soaking fenugreek seeds in coconut milk overnight. The following day, blend this mixture to create a smooth paste. Now apply this paste to your hair and scalp, letting it sit for about 30 to 45 minutes before washing it all off. The fenugreek seeds are rich in folic acid, vitamins A, K, and C, and minerals such as potassium and calcium, which help in controlling hair fall and damage. The coconut milk, on the other hand, is a great natural conditioner that provides the hair with essential proteins needed for nourishing damaged hair. Next, let's explore the power of onion juice and honey. First, extract the juice from an onion and mix it with honey. Apply this mixture to your scalp and let it sit for 30 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. Onion juice is rich in sulfur, which promotes collagen production necessary for new hair growth. Honey, known for its moisturizing properties, helps keep the scalp healthy and promotes hair growth. Our third recipe harnesses the goodness of green tea and lemon. Brew some green tea and let it cool, then add a dash of lemon. Apply this concoction to your hair and scalp, leaving it for 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing. Green tea is a rich source of antioxidants that prevent hair loss and boost hair growth. Lemon, with its abundant vitamin C, strengthens hair follicles and controls hair fall. Another potent combination is yogurt and lemon. Just mix plain yogurt with lemon juice, apply it to clean, damp hair, and leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water. The lactic acid in yogurt gently strips away dirt while the fats in it moisturize the hair, and lemon helps in controlling hair fall. Finally, consider an oatmeal and almond oil mask. Cook some oatmeal and mix it with almond oil. Apply this to damp hair, let it sit for 20 minutes, and then rinse with water, followed by shampoo. Oatmeal can absorb and remove dirt and oil, while almond oil is rich in vitamins E and D and magnesium, which nourish and strengthen the hair.
Start with the banana and honey mask. Mash a ripe banana and mix it with honey. Apply the mixture to damp hair, ensuring even coverage. Leave it on for 20-30 minutes, then rinse thoroughly with water. For the coconut oil and curry leaves mask, warm coconut oil and add crushed curry leaves. Massage the mixture into your scalp and through your hair. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes before washing with a mild shampoo. Next, the avocado and olive oil mask. Mash avocado and blend it with olive oil. Apply the mixture to clean damp hair, focusing on the ends. Leave it on for 20-30 minutes and rinse thoroughly. Another option is the egg and yogurt mask. Beat an egg and mix it with plain yogurt. Apply to dry hair, leave on for 20-30 minutes and rinse with cool water. Finally, the aloe vera and castor oil mask. Combine aloe vera gel with castor oil. Massage the mixture into your scalp and spread it through your hair. Leave it on for at least an hour before washing with a mild shampoo. Give your hair the care it deserves with these natural hair masks.
In summary, offer natural, effective ways to stop hair fall and repair damaged hair. Each ingredient brings its unique properties to the table, from promoting new hair growth, nourishing and strengthening hair, to controlling hair fall. So why not give them a try? Your hair just might thank you.